Hi guys, happy Sunday. I guess it's Monday already when you're seeing this video. We're doing a Sunday walk, and I thought instead of just general talking, let me talk about the Nike Infinity React shoes, which I'm wearing now. And these shoes are amazing for heavy runners or heavy walkers. So I mentioned in my videos that my weight loss goal is on, and to achieve that goal, obviously a good shoe is very important. And I chose this shoe because it's meant for walkers who are heavy, so that it doesn't injure your knees or joints. So Karishma, Ivanka and I are out doing our walk, and I promised them I'm not going to talk to them. So it's a solo vlog by me. Sometimes you don't feel like talking to the camera. I don't blame them. And there are days when I will also not want to do it. But we are walking around Fort Lee. It is 6:30 in the evening on Sunday, 23rd August 2020. So just showing you the shoes in more detail. Hope the sound is good. What I like is the thickness of the sole. These are one of the thickest soles for Nike active shoes like running or jogging or walking. So this is very thick, at least a couple of inches, and that's why it can support heavier runners. I've seen some videos about this. That's how I chose these shoes, because you get soles of various thickness, but for running or jogging, to keep your joints intact, you should have a shoe that is, big. The sole is big. Let's look at Ivanka's shoe. What are you wearing, Karishma?
These are mine.
Adidas Pure Boost, I think, right?
Ultra Boost.
Ultra Boost. So Karishma is sporting the Adidas Ultra Boost, another fantastic shoe for running. Ivanka's got the Nike something. Ivanka's got the Nike Flex Runner, and I've got the Infinity React. So today's become a shoe vlog. Let's keep walking. They're getting fed up sitting on the chair here. This is the church that's nearest to our house, the Church of Good Shepherd. So guys, let me know if you like these kind of walking vlogs. Today is more about the shoes, I know, but I can do many of these, when we walk around the city. Come.
Thank you.
Look at this bike. That bike had the fattest tires on it. Yeah, I don't know, where are we walking to?
Just down the streets of Fort Lee.
We're walking around the streets of Fort Lee. We're not gone to any garden today. And Karishma's a fast walker, so it's tough to vlog and walk. Ivanka too is running. They're leaving me behind, the vlogger. Yeah, let me know if you guys like this kind of stuff. I'm posting 5-6 videos a week, so some of them have to be walking vlogs also. And I'm working out also, meeting my goals for weight reduction. Starbucks parking and the small mall that has 7-Eleven, everything. A lot of times I've been here to do things. You guys have seen. I'll show you some of the Fortley, family homes. Now these are like row houses, 2 per block. So there are 2 here. Each has 1 garage. This is another townhouse. Again, 2 houses joined by a common wall and a backyard at the back for both. So different styles of houses, different layouts. Now this is school number 1 of Fortley. It's a whole school building here and it's behind to the ground and everything. So this is my daughter's school till this year. Next year she moves to the middle school. Nice walk and talk. Actually, when you talk while walking and vlogging, you tend to get more calories burnt. Shoes are holding up very well. The only problem is the shoes are white, so they get dirty. So the school one has a playground this side as well as at the back over there, all the classrooms. It's not a skyscraper building, but at least 500 kids in that school. So when we buy a house, probably next year, after my son goes to college, we may have to actually move out of Fortley to a location of our choice. We only been in Fortley because of the schools. Otherwise, we probably live somewhere much closer to where my wife works in Brooklyn. So next year will be a busy year, looking for a house, and a big enough house for 4 of us and visitors. And no more rental, I guess. Okay, we did a good walk. Karishma, enjoyed?
Yeah, it's always nice to step out.
Awesome walk. Actually, Sunday evenings I'm always at home. I never come out. So if you reached this video so far, hope you like the shoes. Please comment about the shoes and the fact that I bought these shoes because I'm a heavier runner. Please let me know in the comments if you like the shoes, and also if you like these impromptu vlogs, because it takes a lot of effort, guys. You may think it's just walking and talking, but trust me, to make the vlogs with b-roll and whatever, as well as enjoying life along with it, is not easy. So signing out. Thanks for joining, guys. Karishma, any last words?
No, continue to stay safe and take care.
Enjoy the week. Work hard. Take care. Bye. Don't fall. Home sweet home.